Clickfunnels Affiliate Program Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the Clickfunnels Affiliate Program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to clickfunnels.com. Or you can simply click the link on the description below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you the details about this platform. And before we jump on to its affiliate program, let's start first by knowing this Clickfunnels. So Clickfunnels is a popular online platform designed to help businesses and entrepreneurs create and optimize sales funnels, in which a sales funnels is a series of steps or pages that guide a potential customer through a journey from initial awareness of a product or service to making a purchase, in which Clickfunnels provides a user-friendly and all-in-one solution for building and managing these marketing funnels such as funnel builder, landing page, sales pages, email marketing integration, payment processing, membership sites, A/B split testing, analytics and reporting, and many more. And aside from that, in order to access this platform, you could also avail other kind of plans that they offer in order to access this website. And to see the plan, just click the pricing option on the top panel, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, you will see under the annual discount some of the plan including Basic, Pro, and Funnel Hacker plan, in which you will see here the corresponding prices of each plan and the list of the feature or benefits it included on each plan. And same as the monthly plans, you will also see here the Basic, Pro, and Funnel Hacker plan with its corresponding prices and benefits that is listed below. So basically, Clickfunnels is often used by entrepreneurs, marketers, and businesses of all sizes to streamline their marketing efforts and improve their sales processes. However, we're not here to use or access this platform, but rather to use this platform to promote and start earning money using this platform by promoting and joining to their affiliate program of this Clickfunnels. And now, in order to join to the affiliate program of Clickfunnels, from this website, just scroll down until you find or go to the footer section of this site, and below here, you will see a variety of options that you could also navigate. And to proceed, just click the affiliate program under the company section, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this website. And from here, in order to join to the affiliate program of Clickfunnels, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information below here. And also, you will see here that Clickfunnels is a legitimate since it has paid over an affiliate of $143 million US. And to apply, just proceed by entering all of the required information right here, including your first name, last name, your email address, and even your phone number. And after that, just check or shade these boxes that indicate that you agree to the affiliate terms of service, and proceed by clicking Send Me the Invite button below. But before that, you will see here below that you can earn a 30% monthly recurring commission, in which this platform streamlines your earning potential to a cool flat rate of total sales you bring their way. And your 30% recurring payout will be based on all of the active accounts, all price tiers that sign up from your affiliate ID. And also, if you scroll down below here, it will show you that you could also get your dream car, in which all you need to do is to just get and keep 100 or more active Clickfunnels 2.0 members, and you will qualify for your dream car. In addition to your commissions, Clickfunnels will also reimburse you for the lease or purchase payment of your dream car. And aside from that, below, it will show you other additional information about this program. And now to proceed, after filling out all of the required information, just click Send Me the Invite button right here. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you that you need to verify your email address. And to do that, just go to your email inboxes and proceed by clicking the Click Here hyperlink that says Click Here. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, to proceed and to complete your application, you also need to enter your website URL, but that is just only optional. Or you could also add your Facebook profile and even your Instagram profile. And just check these boxes or shade this and proceed by clicking Submit button application below. And after that, your application will be automatically submitted, and you just need to wait at least 2 to 3 business days before they approve your application that indicate to your email inboxes that you are qualified to be part of their affiliate program. And now to proceed, just click this Login Now button below the Submit application, in which by clicking on it, all you need to do is to enter your email address and your password so that you will be directed on this dashboard of Clickfunnels. And from here, on the left side panel, under the dashboard, by clicking on it, you will see here the Welcome Intro. But as you can see, there is no course enrollment that can be found on this dashboard, since our application is currently pending and still not approved. Now going back to this My Account section, you can see on the right side panel that no approved affiliate found, means that our application is currently pending. While below here, you will see the addresses, in which you could see here your first name, your last name, the company, phone number, and even the default of the address that you just input. Aside from that, you could also navigate the phone numbers, the payment methods, in which you can set up or add a new payment method if your application has been approved to be part of the affiliate program of ClickFunnels. But at the moment, you will see here that no payment methods have been added, since our application is currently pending. And aside from that, you could also navigate the course and downloads, in which if your application has been approved, you will see here the list of enrollments and the list of your downloads that has been considered as granted assets. And also, aside from that, by clicking your profile icon on the top right corner and Manage Account, you will see here some of the details about your account, from your default address, billing payment methods, your phone number, and you can even change or upload your own avatar right here. And aside from that, you could also customize to update your customer account or profile to make some changes to your ClickFunnels profile account. And all of those options will be accessible if your application has been approved by ClickFunnels, in which, as I said earlier, if you are eligible, you can earn a 30% monthly recurring commission. So that is just a way of how you can join the affiliate program of ClickFunnels. Thank you.